Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a quiz in JotForm. First, navigate to JotForm and either log in or sign up for a new account. Once inside, you will want to create a new form and specifically choose the quiz option. JotForm offers an excellent AI quiz generator where you can simply enter a prompt or upload a document to instantly create your quiz. Specify details like the number of questions and question types. Then review the generated content. You can then refine it further in the form builder. Now, let's dive into designing your quiz questions. JotForm's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add different question types, from multiple choice to short answer. Crucially, you can assign correct answers and set point values for each question, enabling automatic scoring. For a more interactive experience, implement conditional logic to show or hide questions based on a user's previous answers, making your quiz truly dynamic and engaging for every participant. Next, you will want to customize your quiz to match your brand or personal style. JotForm provides extensive options to personalize themes, colors, and fonts, ensuring your quiz looks professional and appealing. Beyond aesthetics, you can configure essential settings like submission limits and email notifications. Don't forget to set up a custom thank you page, which can display results or a personalized message. Enabling auto-scoring is a fantastic feature, offering immediate feedback to your quiz takers. Finally, it is time to share your quiz with your audience and analyze the responses. You can easily publish your quiz by embedding it directly onto your website or by sharing a unique direct link. JotForm also allows you to distribute your quiz through email or social media. Once submissions start rolling in, you can review all responses and analyze the results seamlessly within JotForm tables. This powerful feature helps you track performance and gain valuable insights from your quiz data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.